Welcome to African Native Tales by Ichien Duka. Today we will look at the Igbo ụmụnna system. In the heart of every Igbo community lies a system that unites, one that binds the past, present, and future. The ụmụnna system, the foundation of Igbo kinship, where ancestral bloodlines converge and every individual, regardless of age or status, has a vital role to play in the collective well-being and continuity of the community. At the core of this system is the ụmụnna, which represents kinsmen, the collective family. A bond that goes beyond blood ties. It's a shared responsibility and a collective strength that fosters unity and cooperation. The elders stand as revered guardians and wise sages, ensuring justice, balance, and harmony within the community, and providing guidance and wisdom to promote the well-being and prosperity of all its members. Next in importance are the ụmụokolobịa, the young men, who represent the future of the clan and are entrusted with the responsibility of shaping its destiny. They are the ones who work the land, build and develop the community, and bravely defend it against any threats. With their boundless energy, strength, and ambition, they propel the ụmụnna forward, proudly carrying the legacy of their ancestors and upholding the values and traditions that have been passed down to them. Another integral component of the ụmụnna system is the ụmụada, who are women born into the kindred. They are a formidable force, with roles that span both the physical and spiritual realms, exerting a profound influence on the community. They are the guardians of peace and harmony among their kin, and are responsible for guiding the spirits of their departed loved ones to the afterlife. They also play a vital role in nurturing and preserving tradition, and their wisdom and counsel shape the next generation, while their voices provide guidance and comfort to the family during times of challenge and uncertainty. The next component of the system is the ụmụagbọghọbịa, who are young women standing at the threshold of womanhood, poised to transition into their roles as adult women within the ụmụnna. They are the learners, the ones absorbing the wisdom of the elders. Their role is to carry forward the heritage of the ụmụnna and to prepare for the responsibilities they will one day inherit. Another component of the system is the ndị inyom, comprising women who have married into the kindred, though may come from other villages, but have become integral members of the ụmụnna through marriage, thereby establishing and strengthening bonds between different families and lineages. As valued members of the community, they play a crucial role in the upbringing and nurturing of the next generation, contributing to the continuity and prosperity of the ụmụnna. In the Igbo ụmụnna system, every voice matters. Every individual, no matter their age or gender, has a role to play in preserving the unity of the family. Ụmụnna is a living system,